For the second part of today, we're really going to rely on some of the panels and options we have available to us in Illustrator. For the first part, I'd like you to take this rounded rectangle and change the color or the fill of the shape. To do that, first thing you're going to do is make sure you're activated on your selection tool. You're going to have to click on the shape. On the right side of your screen, your properties panel should pop up. If it doesn't, we know that all our panels are under window, so you can pull it up that way. Now find the word that says fill and click on the little swatch or the box that's located with it. You might have to click twice in case it doesn't load. Now once you do that, you have two options of how to choose some color. You can choose from one of these swatches that are provided here, or this little button here, color mixer, and kind of click down here and choose your color. I'd like you to take a second or two and choose your favorite color. Once you're done, you're going to click elsewhere. That's for part A. Now for part B, I'd like you to access your symbols. Now if you followed part 1 correctly, your symbols should be here on this thing that you have stacked. If you don't have your symbols here, remember to go to Window again and find Symbols. There's something called a gerbera flower. It's the last one here. What you should be able to do is click on it in the Symbols panel and just physically drag with your mouse to your artboard and release your mouse. I'd like you to do that until you have 4 flowers available. If you feel creative, you can kind of take your mouse to the corner and resize some of your flowers so that you have 4 different size flowers here. Okay? If you want to get more creative, you can mix and match some of the other symbols that are available. Once you're done with B, you're going to go to the last part. And this is a little game of this or that, so we could get to know each other a little bit better. What I'd like you to do is take your selection tool again and drag the circle over the thing that you best resonate with. Do you like the summer or the winter? If you like the summer, take your circle, drag it right on top of the word summer. Now here's the thing. If I click on the center, sometimes it might not let me do anything. Make sure you grab on the actual green line to drag your circle. Right? Fill out each one of these with your personal preference. When you're done with this, please save your file and upload it to Google Classroom.